Hello everyone, I just love it when you come to see my videos. Yes, we are going to make this green momo sauce. Very simple, very easy. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. We need fresh green pepper, some sesame seeds. Don't have to write the ingredients now, I'll give a list later. Some green chilies. Momo sauce needs to be spicy and hot. So we need chilies, green chilies for green sauce. Salt and sugar. It's very important for any sauce. Some lemon juice. The quantity is not exact. If you want it more sour, you can add a bit more. Some oil for making the sauce. Now let us start the process. It will start with some good chopping and cutting. Cut the head of the pepper and then cut them into big pieces like this. Slice it half and then take out the inside white part if you don't want your sauce to be very spicy. Otherwise you can keep them. I would prefer keeping them because green peppers are not very hot. Continue with the cutting of the pepper, the green peppers. You don't need to keep the size very equal or something because we will be making a coarse mix with these. The peppers are done. Now some green chilies. Since I am taking the inner part of the pepper, so I am using only 4 chilies. If you want it hot, you can increase the number of chilies. Cut them in big sizes. Now take a tall jar and take the chopped green pepper in it. And then add the roughly chopped green chilies. Now add sugar and salt as per your taste. This can increase or decrease in quantity, and add the lemon juice into it. I did not use the whole juice. Later I'll taste and understand if I need more. Now add all the sesame seeds. All the ingredients except the oil is taken together. Now with a hand blender, I will mix everything in a coarse textured mixture. If you don't have a hand blender, that doesn't stop you from making this sauce. You can do it in a mixie. Only thing is you have to see that the paste doesn't go very smooth. In mixie, the paste happens very fast. So you have to keep checking that the texture is coarse and you complete the process there. Otherwise, if you have a hand mixer, hand blender, you can just do it the way I'm doing. Subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box, if you have not done it yet. In our channel, The Purple Box, we try to create interesting dishes which you eat outside and enjoy it. So we try to create them and make them at home. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones. In the comment section, write whatever you want to discuss with me. The blending part is done. You should look forward to this coarse texture for making the green momo sauce. Take the full quantity of oil on a frying pan and allow it to heat, but remember, it should not be very hot. Now pour the green paste that we have made. Very gently pour because it might sprinkle hot oil and you might enjoy yourself. Yes, gradually pour in the green mix and with the spatula, mix it all well with the oil. I just love this sizzling sound of frying. For some time, keep running the spatula and mixing and cooking the green paste with the oil. Add a bit of salt and sugar if you feel you need it, but I prefer that you do it at the end when the sauce is already done. On a low flame, keep running the spatula in between. It should ideally take 10 minutes around to finish, the sauce to finish. While the sauce is in the final stage, let's quickly check out the ingredients. Take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this later and also share with others. The quantities are also mentioned here. When you see that the oil is separating from the rest of the ingredients, you know the sauce is done. See, my sauce is done. Take it in a bowl and allow it to cool down. You can store it in a jar for as long as 6 months. Do like this video and share it with others. Till the next video comes, take care. Bye.